Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am gonna making one of my favorite pomfret fry fish. So let's start. For pomfret fry, we should need to buy some fresh pomfret fish nearby market. Today I bought some fish. Now we should need to clean all the fish and cut our pomfret fish for fry. So now we should use some ingredients to make pomfret fish fry. I took 500 gram pomfret fish as your demand you can take, and then 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 2 teaspoon chili powder, 2 teaspoon ginger garlic powder, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 2 tablespoon oil, chopped curry leaves, juice of half lemon and salt to taste. So these are the all ingredients on the image also showing needed to pomfret fish fry. Now all the ingredients should be mixed and make a paste. After that we marinate the fish with all ingredients and keep the fish rest 20 to 25 minutes. We should need to mix the paste very nicely as much as possible and cover the fish whole with these mixtures. After marinate 20 to 25 minutes, we fry our pomfret fish in hot oil and we fry the fish in medium heat. We fry fish on both sides until the fish goes brown color. Our pomfret fish fry is now ready and a very good smell is coming from. So we decorate nicely and serve our pomfret fish. Please do subscribe and share my channel everyone. Thank you.